Yo, ebusia, maso for slide P ni ejaso TV ni. Ye ko dwaso fa de o dwaso na de abejaso. Hyehyehye ne mo beche. Enkwankwan bi ase chiame, maje ma adwa. Ena amanyosem ana ye wuram na NDC aso ye ne ye ko ho huru butu. Eye Owura Alote Jacobs. NDC for atwena sensen na edi enti na ma mo twene sensen ne e wo sa abre yi mu. Ye bakwa akotie ho nsem na ansa na no yenje empaibo mfiri opambo ho
asofo mo dagina mo sare mo amonu ire no ndofo mo di manu abom mo na mo sare babu ni siwanu fuanu kobom asia eni ba ina sare mo paye na awrade mi akwa mo sare ba bi yare ebi adwuma sai o sare ahoma cheba bompan no wanu monufo no for saba friend de mana kezi sabu chirani
social media no one can say yes say ake sabe bibi ne ismo it what tie exactly what I say and any of your panel members omo beka one ko misquote to bia media houses no bloggers so amaba no so sa pacho munti obia no bia anko kase na asuma sika say there be semia mete sesei and mete ne masum and I'm there, bro. Mama, good evening. We are NPP new. We are NDC new. Good evening, come out. But we are NDC new. We are NPP now. Now we are floating voters. 17 between 19%. No one can say, we are guy. Because we are kingmakers. They see a for now. Mona would determine Ghana, baby, Beko. But there are issues that are trending. I was saying, my baby. I was saying, my bandy and my back. We didn't say COVID-19 issue, no trend. So. Just a Ghana Health Service near buying patch say this is the highest peak I bedroom. Dr. Simishu say Abamboa and the highest peak. At the end of fake crowd out here about 3,000. We look at the issue. Most importantly, management of Adiano. Say Usha Ghana now I might be to say Nigeria Hampoya. Nigeria for ya. And then we can story or UTV my friend said DR Congo. Management of it is problematic, but we can say Ghana young crack near the want to do DR Congo near classmates in your no most in your classmate near even Nigeria. The Nigeria war the chain mismanagement, oil and gas, any population. And Ghana independence cry Nigeria. In fact, a Ghana independence cry started the struggle even in Nigeria. Almost started so move independence be. It's Ghana young crack. Eti ya de ho beto o man bi so a na nye ntotofe kwa afọ mo ba democracy agro no mu 2 days ene ye koka se DR Congo anase Nigeria once ye quarantine kofo kra na Nigeria ni bi ka ho oye video no o de pem Buhari akutia se behwe omo Ghana de chill quarantine people now enne Nigeria COVID-19 for kra aye demonstration they are rebelling and I always say we busy Nigeria pay but one of the issues that is also brewing Hurupa is boiling. NDC, National Democratic Congress, the biggest opposition party, boiling. NDC, actual letter say, Oma suspended Alote Jacobs. If you ask me, super bad decision. This is the time where NDC, your focus is election 2020. The Nanadu ya COVID. Nanadu ni MPP I say yenye campaign, but to show ma technically. The way President Nanado and the team omo manage COVID-19 now by default and yes bia ebetima ba say Nanado asheda and what their campaign 2 ebetimi so ba say on share that by default no and I just say as I said the oya ade ni yie ni nti no Nanado fa ho akwaje fans and that's how it's appearing sakode Twitter oh Nanado you are managing it well. Now you are managing it well. Okay, say call to his benefit. It's going to his benefit. 1 or 2 people, even Lydia Forcing cry or fire cry. Lydia Forcing beginning to Nanado, you are doing it well. They can be become once them. And to say no Dr. Baumia Beka said COVID ni any doom zone or so very disappointed in him. But it's showing that there's a bigger issue where COVID-19 election 2020. These are the 2 major issues. I don't got anymore. 2020 and COVID-19. Now say the no matter how NDC and MPP seem concerned about COVID-19. Look, their ultimate goal for this year elections. Mamo bia na down. Na na do. Ba o mio. Mahamo. Wayo. Like then there we your Gabra. Look, me chair was say Ghana had the politicians. Sir. We are full soldier and I want to who deep party for Nechina, who did yet, me see their main focus. COVID-19, but their bigger issue, their bigger objective for this year, election 2020. Mama is not joking, eh? Ogaza mama nama oche PPE so. Oche mask, oche niane, na no kuma se mention kwa. Over 500 bags of rice na mama the Ogaza odi agro. It's a campaign strategy. Na do ba no e fellow Ghanaians. Come there. Ogaza odi agro. A campaign strategy. Na do share that selecting tomorrow the bear broadcast. A campaign strategy. The man is communicating. Kobuta, look, this is Nanadu who is coming from the legacy of Jacob Chebilamti. Jacob Chebilamti to me the Kwalanta Tofiwaye campaign, President Kufuor winning. Atamils tried the same thing in 2008. No, not 2008. That was 2004. Atamos, yeah, Bakubi. Future leaders more ameno. Mutimiti akane ana there be any there yes same. And this is fall flat. Same strategy. But Masa. Look, so I'm telling you that from baby and another any campaign team no omu free banner. Ebe I say another all manage COVID, and I agree on manage COVID, but inside management of the COVID, he's also campaigning. Don't joke with him. Don't joke with MP before Parachiki for no more. No. We have the men. They do election. They will show you that they may not even have the actual men, but they have the strategy. Now, and no make us say NDC. Monsieur be free ho. Enye ntokwa nyina na yakon in an election year. Shamp before be omukoye be 2008 the NDC 4 years here. MPP the same thing in 2008. Nanado that time President Kufuor was exiting. And anipa be 18 year woman nyina so be president no. Okay, it fell flat because obi antiase and I mean number party ni mache and I mean a minim party no. And at the end everybody thought they were a campaign. They all found. But propaganda against themselves. 2007 MPP for call final congress great hall Legonha me 3 days na me nyae I'm not saying it to put myself to shame, but to tell you the struggles of media people. None of Monday ni aka media people juma na media for me nyahwe and am dia kokon 3 days ni o Legon great hall me am ko contest me am nyahwe 3 days na me nyae 2003 Sla Kapovi Francis Esiam your friend saying Ofoso Pofu your woman Francis Esiam then the squad sa elections no NDC Congress sa elections now President Rollins ebe map of Samuel Sensational say yes in a mayin yeah this is the man I selected na yina yesu yakobo na send you na or they saying abroad of my free so no that's what Rollins Swedro declaration next no that was the Congress and also sa 3 days make kwabna kwache ni yenware so yeah the results be bram ko for keke now they wada o chance ade chance na when they win o se journalist for hu nimfa so ankusua o dey tena. So I'm telling you that the same mistakes MPP for NDC one more attempted to do right now MPP for year bi eno na ma Alanche Mantin at the time omuko Ukaya Foko. That was 2000, one of the strongest, heavily contested, tension-filled Congress. I mean, our MPP mo. That's one. We are no way you focus. Our first Tamale elections. And it's said more elections. Tamale, you know. Said don't go to Ababa. Our Kumasi Stadium. Sa election of police work. I said, raising me 9 ideas. So still them. So I still did the report. Yeah, you want no. You still have to do the report. Forget about the captain's wife. Go on with the war. The entire Oba had to do the report. So 2008, Alan Chamati threw resignation letter because of these same divisions. NDC. Mamo nyama yen kasese si ano. Mo pesa mo hijack party ni ma ebimo. Na mo yi Atamos descendants Sifi party ni. Now Kokwa Nido is not happy in NDC. Alote is not happy in NDC. Then you are going to an extent of suspending him. 81 suspending Alote ana yeden. Over Alote wa dem na ne kasana Alote krasu ontie. Now see okay, you ignore Alote na yeden. Go on with the 2020 campaign. Focus. Let us see them who are united front and give MPP for a run for their money. Now say Nanado cry to me we need 2020 and I say hey, where they will win it by our blame. That's the kind of contest we want. And no, any idea I pay. Until we're going to look at that issue. Now, running mate issue no so trendy pa. Now, says here NDC, whether they will be able to manage when you know, meanwhile, running mate assembly to Womukomo. I know COVID-19, NDC, I late to cry da. Nana do buy and not before the election year, nana do selected by Omia Dada. So NDC, you can't race no. I say Hussein Bolt, anyone why a year first saying Marion Jones and El Comunicano. The parameters here so a first saying unequal. Because Nanado original Naso COVID is renewing to its benefits kakra. At least kakra almost stabilizing yama. COVID next one more 1 billion for my IMF, so nipa no advantage. 3 was I incumbents our influence into one our position who needs influence be. Osaya United because Nanado is a candidate and Baumia is a vice. There's no question about it. Omako Congress, Omunko Congress and Kodosun and Koendosuno, simplicity they are going. Now where? Now you are in opposition. And now Kuragro Muni Olumaya Alote Olumai. Ah no, I can't allotate how many years for politics. No. One watch it. Or you'll be Uncle Becca so very resigning and sit in his house. Like I'm a Benuado money ade. You are fighting Alote. At this time, is that the priority? Is that the focus? 2022 electoral commission issues to group. More than once a month. Those issues they are back once a month. Most of the newspapers are trendy. But as they say, and this is say Omoma a year friend saying Coco the media so any piece of a madden Chama General a dictatorial. Something well, I disagree. My personal opinion, I disagree. Say Chama General a dictatorial. But NDC has every right to take a position. So Omuno Munim di Omahu. Omuka say, but there may minimum say. Ghana Hanum say, I said, drop for bre papa. I said, drop for Chama General Crady, that should be Chama also through book. Chama General, you have to write a book about 3 decades in the media. The torture, the name calling, the abuse, the insult, the attack. Broja je vision say broja je fish ya Chama General pressure be half bia me sure say Kawanane. And then you see Chama General NDC. Or see Chama General MPP. I mean, what should he do? Na Chama General Poniname. I'm quite the abometre. So what you say? So these issues, no, it will come up. You better sign this for the entire. Because Nameka said they are also entitled to the opinion. That issue, no, in fact, and the issues are all in Chama General Assembly is trending pa. Any allotated comes assembly also trending. And I talk for them near there. Once a month.
Abusia, Ababim. Na said the Diacoson Yani Pitri. And Penny says a year ton 2 me or my craton and after 2 million and your 2 million we are or the Aquajo mammy. There's when this is for the Omun is and I'm what they know me dear grunty. So the chance I help me I sa na sa I am mensa yes amasayan. What I say as all more many dahona wa brewemu 2020 and COVID-19 bremu NPP4 to no man anado amansan nyina bona baso so aya de se de osi manage no man do cases ne kosro hwese de osi manage no ne ade a as of fa ho de as de on sala na fa blonya ho no awe crackers fa blonya ho awe akoko sa na bi pesa o mo kire na NDC for de omo so enhu kotokura omo fa ekura enhyem no aha na 6 adane omo 9 na kotokura adane omo 7 enti abuza enensem na ha na edi mbesi wa amanyo semu no Sly P ni Jazu TV ni fansa tia ba akono fa bo subscribe button ni so ame na wa like no wa share ama onyo bi nso ahwebi na nyankopon share so oyesa ebusa nso anto dia e bi share pipe no se tonso dia share me nkwankwan dua se na yembonsire hehe me da wa se bi share bi